Hey guys, welcome to another wonderful video. Today we are going to learn about how to run YouTube ads. How can you run those ads which you see on YouTube before you start a video or during the video while you're watching those skippable ad which you can skip after 5 seconds or those ads. How can you create them and how can you run your own ads or how can you actually promote your own YouTube channel on YouTube? So we are going to create those ads. Now, before I get into creating those ads, we have in our previous video we have created search campaign setup, the search ads which you generally see while you search on Google, like for example, and you see few ads here. So we have created these ads in our previous video. If you have not watched these ads, how to create these ads already, I want you to check out that video. I will link that video here on the screen. You can watch that video also. Now let's come back and let's try to set up YouTube ads. So let's set up the campaign quickly. So for to run YouTube ads, you need a Google Ads account again. If you have not really created a Google Ads account, uh, I have mentioned that in our previous video as well, where we have set up a search campaign. We have also set up the Google Ads, account there. So if you have not done that, do create a Google Ads account first. Then once you're into Google Ads account, let's start from there. So to create a new campaign, you need to go to campaigns here. You need to go to new campaign or wherever you want to click. Let's click here, new campaign, and then it is going to come to a campaign objective for you. So here it has given me few objectives. Select the goals which would make your campaign successful. For YouTube ads, either you can choose any of these, whatever your goal is: sales, leads, website traffic, product brand consideration, brand awareness, app promotion, local store visits, or create a campaign without any goal. Whatever your whatever you want from your ads. You might have seen a lot of ads on YouTube which will ask you to fill up a form, or few ads which will ask you to buy a course, which will ask you to purchase a product. Many different types of ads. So according to your objective, just select one of the objective. For me, I would, since it is a video campaign, if you are just trying to make a brand awareness, you would go with brand awareness or reach. Okay, if you're trying to get people to fill up the form, you can go with these also. But I generally see videos to be a brand awareness ads mostly. Or you can either go with create a campaign without a goal also. You can go with that option as well. For now, I'll go with brand awareness and reach. So it is going to give me two options here: display or video. What do you want to run? So we want to run video. You can also run display ads for brand awareness as well. These are also very effective for brand awareness, but obviously we just want to run a video ad. I'll go with a video ad here, and then it is going to give me for five options. Select a campaign subtype. So if you see skippable in stream ad, let's understand different types of ads here. Skippable in stream, as the name suggests, this ad is a skippable ad and it's a in stream. In stream is within the video, anywhere within the video. So there is no time limit to this ad. This ad can be as many minutes as you want. Okay, so generally the ads usually which you see, which you can skip after 5 seconds, those are skippable in stream ads. Bumper ad, get efficient impressions and reach with bumper ads, the ads which you can't skip. Have you ever seen, you might have come across those ads before your YouTube video which you can't skip. It takes those 5 6 seconds, and it doesn't give you that skip button option. So that's called bumper. Bumper, obviously name suggests in front, so it always, these ads are always in the front, before the video starts. Non-skippable ads, you can't skip them. Then another one is non-skippable in stream. This is also non-skippable. It can be anywhere within the stream, not just like bumper is always in the front of the video. Non-skippable can be within the video also. It can come anywhere, anytime within the video as well. But and it can be only up to 15 seconds. That is also mentioned. If you can see, it can only be up to 15 seconds. More than 15 seconds of ad, you can't run it for non-skippable. So those frustrating ads in between the video which you get and which you are like, YouTube, what are you doing? Those are these ads which you can't really skip for 15 seconds. Next is outstream ads. Outstream are the ads which go out of your YouTube platform also with YouTube partner websites. For example, sometimes you see ads on YouTube, ads on different websites like Times of India or various different website network websites of YouTube. So those are outstream ads. And then there is ad sequence. Ad sequence is nothing but a combination of ads which you can run. For example, let's say you are, or let's say an example, sometimes you see that Flipkart is running an ad. Okay, so in a video what happens is, first it shows you a ad. Okay, Flipkart shows you ad before the video starts. In between, again Flipkart's ad will come, but with some other story or with some other context to the first one. And then after some few minutes, another ad of Flipkart will come in the same video with another story. So it's like a brand can show a sequence of ads within a single video. Okay, that's called ad sequence. For obviously for it, you will need multiple ads, and that's ad sequence. More generally, more practically, if you are running an ad, you will be running obviously skippable in-stream ads. And let's say I have a video so which I want to promote. Let's say I want to promote my own video. It's a module 5 which I have also suggested you before I started the video where we have set up the search ads campaign. Let's say I want to promote that. So this video is of around how much? 46 seconds. It's a long video, right? Sorry, not seconds, 46 minutes here, right? So uh, I would, you know, I would take that ad and try to fit it in any of these. So obviously, if I want to promote that video, I will have to go with skippable in stream because bumper can't adjust it. It is only 5-6 seconds and it is always in the front. Non-skippable can be up to 15 seconds and not more than that, right? So I will try to promote this video with skippable in stream. By the way, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe here for more such interesting videos. And now it is going to ask us, let's go with a campaign name. So I will just write my name here, and then since it is a video, the video campaign, which video I'm promoting, I'll write my video name also. So that's a Google Ads video. Google Ads. Yeah. And yeah, that's, I think, yeah, or probably you can write video 1 also if you want to understand. Whatever makes sense for you, just go with that name here. So name, bid strategy. So they have already selected target CPM, and you can't really change that target CPM bid strategy here. If you want them to be changed, you will have to go back and choose a different objective, or if you want all of them to be available for you, go with, if you remember, there was an option, select a campaign or start a campaign without objective, right? There was an option. You can go with that option also if you want all of them. Since my objective is just brand awareness, so brand awareness, it is just has taken the target CPM as a strategy. CPM, cost per millennium, or cost per thousand impression. That's a target CPM. That's what the strategy it has taken. You have many other strategies as well. Maximum CPV, cost per view. You can set up maximum CPV, how much you want to pay for a view. Viewable CPM, you have that also option. You can set you know a cost attached to viewable CPM. Okay, how much you want to pay when somebody actually views your ad. Target CPA, that's again the strategy which I have explained in my previous video while setting up the search campaign setup. So target CPA is that cost per acquisition. You can set how much you want to pay for one acquisition or one form fill up or whatever your acquisition strategy is. And then maximize conversion, that's nothing but if you want maximum conversions from your strategy, you can go with bid maximum strategy, and bid for that, how much you want to pay for actually for that particular conversion, or how you are just telling YouTube that YouTube, please try to maximize my conversion, trying to bring more and more people who converts on my website. So these are few different options, and it has not given me any options because of my target which I've selected earlier. Let's go back, go front. Budget and dates, campaign total. So there are two types of budget: campaign total. Either you can set your total budget. Let's say I want to promote this video and I have a total budget of 10,000 rupees. Let's say that, right? So 10,000 rupees, for what dates do you want to spend? So 16 May to, let's say I want to promote it to 20th May. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, so 5 days. So 5 days, it is going to spend 2000, almost approximately 2000 a day. And in 5 days, it will finish 10,000 rupees. That's how it is going to be running. You can go with daily strategy also, daily budget. In this one, I will manually set my daily budget as 2000 rupees. So it is now going to actually spend 2000 rupees a day. Okay, so that is what daily bid or campaign total bid is, or budget is. You can set that according to your convenience. Yeah, set the end date as well. Networks. So we have YouTube videos. Obviously, your videos can be shown in YouTube. You have YouTube partner or display networks also. Your videos or your whatever you are trying to promote can go to YouTube partner websites also, and on those websites also your ads can be displayed. So if you want that, you can go ahead with this. If you don't want, you can uncheck here. Okay, if you just want to show the videos within YouTube videos, you can just uncheck it. And then YouTube search results. Yeah, so when you search something on YouTube, you will actually see few ads after you search, and that's where an ad gets displayed. So if you want, you can check or uncheck this strategy also. For me, it is not giving this option because my goal is brand awareness, and search is an option which is a limited option. Obviously, it is not going to give me a lot of impression. So according to my strategy, I need a lot of impression. That's how my brands will be you know uh, reaching to more and more people. That's why it is not giving me that option here. But if you go with different strategy, it'll give you that option. Come down. Locations, again, location I've already explained. You can enter a specific location. Let's say I want to promote in, let's say I just want to promote it in India, so I'll just select India, or you can select a very specific location as well here. Do check out, it is going to give you available impressions also. Right now there are 10 billion plus available impressions based on my based on the selections which I've done. So let's say English, I will go with English as a language. Yeah, so English, that's one thing. And since I'm promoting my video, probably you can go with Hindi also, but obviously I'm just going to go with English for now. And then inventory type, you have three types of inventory here: expanded inventory, standard inventory, limited inventory. That's nothing but show your ads on content that's appropriate for most brand. Obviously, it is going to show your ads on all the videos which are appropriate, because on YouTube there are some inappropriate videos also, okay, which can affect your brand image as well. So if you don't care about that, you can go with expanded inventory also. you know uh, it might also reduce your cost per view as well, because most of the brands are going to go with standard inventory, right? So if you go out of that box, it might decrease your view. So if you don't care about that, you can go with expanded inventory. Or limited inventory is like, don't show the ads on any offensive or sensitive content. So might be most of the brand might go with these options also, right? So that's how I would go with standard inventory itself, since it is recommended also, and mostly brands are going to use this inventory. Come down. So we have exclude. From where you want to exclude your video, it is giving you that option also. So embedded videos which are embedded on the websites, on different websites, we don't want to show your ads on those websites, you can exclude the embedded videos. You can also exclude live stream videos as well from here, if you check these boxes, but I'll keep them as it is. You can also exclude your videos from certain types of content, like for example, mature audiences, teen or older audiences, journal audiences, such kind of different labels are given here, and you can exclude your videos from these. I'll keep it as it is for now. Don't want to exclude for any of these. Additional settings, again, we have explained these things previously, might have not explained about frequency capping. I'll come to that. Conversions, keep it as website conversions. Devices, so it is going to give us multiple different options for devices. Right now all of the devices are selected, but let's say you don't want to show your ads on TV. It has a TV screens also. You don't want to show your ads on TV. Why? Because people are not going to subscribe. Like if subscription is your motive, the people might not subscribe on TV. So I'll uncheck that. You can do that, or I'll keep it checked. If brand awareness is my objective is brand awareness, I don't care if people subscribe or not, then I will keep all of them checked. That's what I'll do. Yeah. Or if you just want to show on mobile phones, you keep this checked and keep all of them unchecked. That is also what you can do, right? For now, also you can also choose operating system, device models, and networks. What networks people are using? I think networks were removed, so you probably might not be able to choose them, but device models and operating system obviously you can choose from here. So go ahead, choose according to your requirement. I'll just go with show on all eligible devices. Frequency capping, how many times would you like to show your ads to a single user per day? There are two types of frequency: impression frequency and view frequency. Impression frequency is like how many times one can see your ad. He's not watched the video. Okay, how many times one can see your ad. So you can add a limit to that, enter the number per day, how many times, this much time. So it will not show more than that to a user. And then there is view frequency, how many times one can view your ad. Okay, once a person has already viewed, Google or YouTube will not try to show the ads to that person again if you just put one as a number here. Or according to your requirement, you can choose any of these options. This is to avoid people getting irritated with your ads. Sometimes that happens, no? You see those different ads which are just coming on every videos and following you on every videos on YouTube. To avoid that, that's another thing which you can do here. Ad schedule, when do you want to run your ads? I will keep it as all days, all time. You can adjust the days whenever you want to, run your ads specifically at what time. Then comes the ad group. So I'll give the name as probably ad group 1 itself for now. And then so then it is going to give me the targeting here. So there's people targeting, there's content targeting. Either you can target people or you can target the content. So people means you can target their interest and their age and all that. Or content means you can target the content present on the YouTube. You can target few keywords, topics, or different kinds of interest or placements on YouTube. So demographic, go ahead and choose a demographic on whatever demographic you want to target. Oh, yeah. Let's come to audience. Audience may, you can also search for interest. So if you go here, if you can search for, like for example, social media. If somebody is interested in social media, probably social networking apps or social media, they can be my audiences. So I would select them. Social networking, and yeah, I think that's it. Social media analyst, social media careers, probably social media marketing, advertising and marketing. These are the people who are interested into these things. I would like to target them, right? So these are the people I am selecting. You can go with multiple different options again here. It is going to give you, right? So these are different types of audiences I've selected. Their interest I've selected, who can be interested in my videos. Then comes content targeting. This was people targeting. We are targeting their interest and demographic. Now the content, you can also target the content on the present on the YouTube. So keyword targeting, for example, if I write digital marketing here, okay, so if I write digital marketing as a keyword here, so wherever or whichever video's title or description has digital marketing as a keyword present in it, my ad will go and show up there. That's how the keyword targeting works here. So if you see, available impressions also has come down to 1.5 billion million to from 10 million. So only 1.5 million impressions I can expect, obviously, because I'm going with a keyword targeting here. you know Not a lot of videos will have digital marketing keyword in it. Probably I will not go with this option. It is limiting my impressions, but still, if I remove that, it is giving me 3 billion impressions here. Okay, but I hope you understood what is keyword targeting here. And as I said, any if in the title or in the description anywhere digital marketing was present, my ad would go and show up on those videos. That's what keyword targeting is. Then topics, let's come to topics. Let's say my topic is what, social media. And if we have those topics here, let's see that business, advertising, probably these, advertising and marketing as a topic for all of the videos. So my ad will go and show up on all those. So in this case, I'm not targeting the whole the keyword here. I'm not targeting the specific keywords. I'm actually targeting the whole topic itself. Any video or any YouTube channel which talks about advertising and marketing as a whole, my ad can go and show up on all of these videos, though they don't have marketing and advertising written on their you know titles or description. But if they are talking about advertising and marketing, if the theme of the channel is advertising and marketing, or the video is advertising and marketing, my ads might go and show up there. So that's what you can do. I will not go again with this option. Or you have third option, placement. Instead of targeting the topic or the keyword, you can directly target a YouTube channel also. That's what big like smartphone makers do. Like, for example, Apple or Samsung, or when they release their phone, what do? They particularly or specifically target specific YouTubers and show their ads on these YouTubers websites. For example, I want to target uh, probably MKBHD. Will his channel come? Let's say, yeah, his channel is here. But that's, yeah, that's the same channel. If I target that, what happens? Let's see the number of impression. Oh, it has come down probably to a very uh, less impressions. But yeah, that's what we can do. We can target the channel itself, and your ads are just going to show on his channel itself. They are not going to show anywhere else, only on his video. That's what you can do. You can target multiple channels, not just one, multiple channels together, right? So that is also what you can do. YouTube videos also, you can target any video which is getting trending. You can just come here and just target all those videos which are getting trending, okay, to show your ads on those videos. So that's what again you can do here, right? So that is placement targeting. Let's put the bid. So it is asking me how much you want to pay for 1,000 impressions. How much we want to pay for 1,000 impressions? Let's say we can start with probably 5 rupees or 10 rupees. Go with 5 rupees. If you don't get any impressions, then increase the bid to 10 rupees. That's what you can do, Probably I'll go with 10 rupees for now. Target CPM, this is, just understand, this is nothing but 1,000 impressions. Target CPM, target cost per 1,000 impressions, 1,000 impressions, how much you want to pay for. So obviously, you can do your testing here and see whatever is best for your industry or best for your whatever industry you're targeting in. You can go with that option here. Then comes the ad itself. How do you create an ad? So to create an ad, first you need to do is to obviously, create the ad and upload it to YouTube. Your ad should be on YouTube, and then you can just go ahead and either search here that ad wherever it is, or you can just take YouTube, video URL and just paste the URL, and boom, the ad itself is present now. If you can see, mostly it is created and set up here. Now it is asking, once a person clicks on it, clicks on your ad, where do you want to take them? So that's nothing but final URL. So obviously I will take them to my, you know videos page or subscribe page, whatever page you want to take them to. I'll take them to my videos page. That's what I'll do. Make sure in the start you don't have HTTPS. It's already there on the left. Display URL, probably you can just keep it YouTube. Don't need to keep all that. It is just for display purpose, so that's why YouTube is fine. Call to action, you can put the call to action button also. What you can put call to action. So I'll like to put subscribe. That's what I'll put. Subscribe, you can see here, subscribe button. And then headline. Headline is nothing but here what do you want to put instead of name here. So probably I'll keep it here as what? Digital marketing, let's say. But it should be, yeah, it's going to 16, 17 characters. So probably digital marketing won't come here. Let's see. Yeah, I think the name is enough. So yeah, name is enough. That's fine. And then you have this option called, companion banner. So that's also one of the thing. For example, let's say this video, and let me play this video. You have an ad here. You have an ad here, and that ad is by a Grow app. If you see here, right? So have you ever observed whatever the ad you see, the same ads banner also you see here? Right now, obviously, this is the extension which is enabled. That's why you can't really see here. But if you come down, it's not really showing me here because of this extension itself. But more likely, you're going to see the banner of that particular ad here. If you have not observed, observe it next time. You will see a banner of the same ad here. That's called companion banner. Master ad, this is a master ad, and that's a companion. So companion goes, or wherever the master goes, that's what happens. So if the master ad is going to serve on this video, companion banner is going to serve here. That's how it is. So either you can upload a custom companion. You can choose the file, create a custom companion banner, or you can just let YouTube generate a custom companion banner for you. It is just going to take the images from your channel and create a banner for you, and that's how the ad is going to look like. Okay, let's see how does it look like on laptop. Yeah, that's how it is going to look like on a desktop or a laptop, and that's how the companion banner is going to look like here. Okay, I hope you understood. Once you're done with this, just put the ad name. Ad name is just for your reference to understand later what is the ad about. Okay, and once you're done, just click on create campaign, and boom, that's it. You're done. You have created a campaign. Continue to campaign and finish it. done, and that's how you can create a wonderful YouTube ad and you can run. So you can go through multiple different options here, choose options according to your industry. It totally depends upon you. How do you, what kind of options do you choose to get maximum results out of your ads? Okay, so for this video, I think that's it. If you watched till here, thank you so much. Do check out my other videos in this whole digital marketing course series to get more insight on your digital marketing journey. I will also link few resources or few videos which I've created on the similar subjects in the description below. Do check out that, and I will meet you with another topic in another video very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Ihaksi.